on time like.
So let's get into membership questions, all right? Because membership questions is going to be the way that you're going to filter out individuals in your group, all right? When you set up a Facebook group, especially if it's a private Facebook group for people that have bought a product, you want to make sure that you create the membership question so you can validate the purchase based off of their email address, right? Well, in a free group, there's a way that you can set up membership questions so you can actually learn who you're letting into the group so you can know a better way to market to them. So I want to give you guys an example of how I created the membership questions inside of my free group, because this is something that you could actually model yourself for your own group based off of whatever niche that you're in. All right, so let's go over this. The first question, right? First thing is I want to introduce the group. So welcome to Organic Traffic Success. All right, that's the first thing. I want to welcome them, right? Then I want to ask, the first thing I want to know is, what is your biggest struggle in your online business? Please try to be specific as possible. This allows us to give you more content that can assist you. All right. Then I have a text box. Now, how you edit these, once you hit edit, it has a little box here that'll say check boxes, multiple choice, or written answer. Of course, I want them to be specific and detailed. So I want a written answer, and then I just click save. Okay. So you can model this. I'll actually leave this script down below for you guys to model. Don't do it exactly like this. Change some words around, make it unique for you and your group. But I will leave the script down below. All right, the second question I have is, we have a proven method to get leads and sales using your social media profile and organic traffic. If you're serious and have the resources to make an investment in yourself, would you like to learn more? Yes, please, I would like to learn more. No, I would like to keep spinning my wheels. Sorry, guys. So this is multiple choice. If someone wants to join my group, okay, and they say, yes, I am interested in whatever it is that you have to offer, that gives me an opportunity to directly message them and market to them directly, okay? This is where I can actually turn this prospect into a lead. All right, I hope that makes sense, everybody. And question number 3, here we go. What is the best email? What is the best email to reach you to send you a free training on how I was able to crush a 5-figure income using just my profile without any ad spend? All right, so that means that they will give me the email address that I can reach them at, and I can build a list organically. Okay, guys, I could build a list organically, because basically the concept is, you welcome someone to your group, you ask them whatever their problem is. You want to know whatever the problem is that they have so you can provide a solution to the problem. Then you want to ask them, is it okay if you market to them by telling them what it is that you have to offer and asking them, if you have the money to invest in yourself, would you like to learn more? So you're asking them for their permission to market to them, okay? And the third question that you want to set up is always the email. You want to collect the email. Once you collect the email, you will begin to build a list organically. So if you're already building a list through your funnels, running ads, and utilizing organic traffic, this is one way to gain emails organically just from a Facebook group. So set up your membership questions. Don't forget to click that button below. That's going to take you to the templates of how I create questions for Facebook groups.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but Hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep